Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Tails OS 6.10 on VirtualBox. First download the Tails OS by going to Tails official website, that is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. Then scroll down, see here we have the latest version of Tails is 6.10 at the time of making this video. Then scroll down, see here we have the Burning a Tails DVD. Click on it. See here we have the download Tails 6.10 ISO image and its size is 1.5 gigabytes. We can download by clicking on this one, or we can download by using torrent link. Either is fine. So click on download Tails 6.10 ISO image. Go to downloads. See, download started and its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once the download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install it. Okay. Now click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Click on either of them. Then here we have to provide the name for the virtual machine name. I am giving Tails OS 610 VM. Then we have to select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. So select the folder. If you are okay with the default, it's okay. Otherwise, click on other. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files. So new folder. Select it. Select the folder. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Other. See, I have kept here. Okay. So click on open. See, once you selected, type has been changed to other. Select Linux. Then select, see, we don't have Tails here, so you can select other Linux, here also other, okay, or you can select in Ubuntu, okay, but select other. Then hardware, here we have to give the RAM. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Then number of CPU process 2. Then hard disk, I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. So then once you selected, then click on finish. Okay. Still, if you want edit settings, right click on here and select settings, or select it and you can click on settings, or select it and machine and select settings. All three options are same. Okay. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use the up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 6.10, and hit enter. If you want to release the cursor, just you have to press right control button on keyboard. See, language and formats I am going with defaults. Then persistent storage. So if you want save files and configuration in encrypted persistent storage, you have to select this on button. Okay. Then additional settings. So click on this plus button. Then you can configure this. So I am going to set the password for administration. Then click on add. In the same way, if you want add this, you can set. Okay. Then click on start Tails. Now if you want to connect Tor browser, then click on this radio button, connect to Tor automatically, and click on connect to Tor. Now open the terminal, click on activities, then show applications. See here we have the terminal. Click on it. Let me increase the font size. Now verify. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Tails and its version is 6.10. Okay. Q to quit, Control L. Still it is connecting. Okay. The first step after connecting to Tails OS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && and upgrade the packages. Apt upgrade. Hit enter. Here we have to provide the password of the administration. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tails OS 6.10 on VirtualBox. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.